Hi, these comments are for MH. I am Michael from OTC, OnlineTOEFLCourse.com. I hope you're having a great day. And thank you for doing my free TOEFL speaking evaluation. I'm getting ready to look at your specific practice test. So you want to get an estimated score on your integrated writing task. Am I right? Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So I actually read it, right? So I think that you're just about in the 4 area. I'm going to put you at 375 out of 5, 24 points out of 30 on that integrated writing task. That would be my estimation right now. Now, first of all, I think in the introduction you're trying to do too much here. And notice how to defend against a bear attack. You're doing too many things there. If you just say, well, the reading passage states, or makes 3 assertions about the behavior of bears, and then the lecture calls into question these 3 things, that's it. That's all you need to do here. Then you talk about reading point 1, listening point 1, reading point 2, listening point 2, and then reading point 3 and listening point 3. And let me take a look at this paragraph, this last paragraph. So the author remarks that there are 3 ways to defend against a bear attack. He asserts that when a bear attacks, I'm just going to say people should run away, climb a tree, or you want to say shoot here, not shut, right? Or shoot with a gun, or shoot the bear with a gun if it is possible. He highlights that shooting How about shooting you need to use an object here with shooting. It's a transitive verb, I think. So shooting the predator is the best way to protect How about victims from a bear? Contrast. Yeah, you don't want to use the you point of view in this type of writing. The lecture argues that running and climbing are not good choices because the bear is able to run fast and climb a tree. He states that instead of shooting the bear with a gun, the best way to defend against bears is use pepper spray. I think spray is typically an uncount noun that does not harm the bear or the person because they are not toxic. How about, let's say, this non-lethal weapon and I'm going to change this to is. So I just wanted to make some changes in one of your paragraphs. So sometimes you want to be careful about your word choice, make sure you have good pronoun agreement, all of those things. Okay, so still you have good writing. You know how to organize your ideas, I think. So by making a few changes in the introduction and then avoiding certain types of grammatical errors, for example, point of view, you can definitely score higher. All right? And thank you for doing this practice test. Now, if you're interested in any of my courses or you have questions about any of my courses, don't be shy. Come by my office hours. Talk to me. You can talk to me face-to-face like this using Zoom, right? You can see my office hours directly below my name. I have office hours Monday through Friday. You can come in. If you're not sure what course plan works best for you, I can answer all of those questions. Now, if you do come to my office hours, keep your meeting limited to about 5 minutes. I don't have a lot of time, but I'll be happy to help you. All right, thank you.